everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here with you all today. How are you, Emily?
I'm great, Paul. Thank you for asking. I am feeling very happy today. And you?
I'm doing wonderful, thank you. I have a big smile on my face today. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. The sun is shining. It makes me feel good.
Me too. And that's a perfect start for our topic today.
Oh, yes. Today we are talking about something very special. We are talking about gratitude.
Exactly. Gratitude. It's a simple word, but it is so important.
It is. Before we start, everyone, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. And share this episode with your friends and family. Let's spread the good feelings.
So, Paul, let's talk about gratitude. What does it mean to you?
That's a good question. For me, gratitude is feeling thankful. It's saying thank you for the good things in my life.
I like that. Thankful. It's a nice feeling. What are you thankful for today, Paul?
Well, like we said, I am thankful for this beautiful day. I am also thankful for my cup of coffee this morning. It was so good.
A good cup of coffee is a great thing to be thankful for. I am thankful for my breakfast. It was yummy.
See, it can be small things, the little things in life. What else, Emily?
I am thankful for my family. I love my family very much. They are so good to me.
Oh, yes, family is so important. I am very, very grateful for my family too. And my friends. I have wonderful friends.
That's so true. Good friends are a gift. It feels nice to have people who care about you.
It really does. It makes life better. What about something not so small? Something bigger.
Something bigger. I am thankful for my home. It's a safe and happy place.
Yes. A home is a big reason to be grateful. I feel the same way. I am also very, very grateful for my health.
Oh, me too. Being healthy is so important. We can do so many things when we feel good. We can walk, run, play.
Exactly. We can learn English.
Yes, we can learn English. I am very grateful for learning. I love to learn new things. It makes my brain happy.
That's a great one. A happy brain is a good thing. It helps us grow.
Yes, it does. What about you, Paul? What is a bigger thing you are grateful for?
You know, Emily, I think about this sometimes. I am very grateful for life itself. Just being alive.
Wow, that is a big one. And it's so true. Every day is a new opportunity.
It is. I am grateful to God for giving me life. He has done so much. He gives us so many opportunities to be happy and to do good things.
That's a beautiful thought, Paul. It's important to have faith.
It is for me. I am also so grateful that He sent His Son, Jesus, to us. Because of Jesus, we can have salvation. It's a wonderful gift, and I feel so much peace because of it.
That is very special, Paul. Thank you for sharing that. It's a very deep and personal gratitude.
It is. And it makes me thankful for everything else, too. The big things and the small things.
Yes, I understand. It connects everything. It makes you see the good in the world.
Exactly. Like, what about nature? Are you grateful for nature, Emily?
Oh, absolutely. I love nature. I am grateful for the trees. They are so tall and beautiful.
And the flowers. So many pretty colors. Red, yellow, pink.
Yes! And I am grateful for animals. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. I am so thankful for her. She is very funny.
Oh, that's so sweet. Pets are the best. I have a dog. His name is Rocky. He is my best friend. I am so, so grateful for Rocky. He makes me laugh every day.
Oh, that's so sweet. Pets bring so much joy.
They really do. What about a sound? Is there a sound you are grateful for?
A sound. That's an interesting question. I think I am grateful for the sound of rain.
Oh, really? Why?
It's so calm and peaceful. It helps me relax, and I love the smell after it rains. It's so fresh.
Ah, yes. I know that smell. That's a good one. For me, I am grateful for the sound of laughter.
Oh, laughter is a wonderful sound. It means people are happy.
Yes, especially the laughter of my family and friends. It's the best music.
That is so true, Paul. So, how can we practice gratitude every day?
That's a great question. I think we can start by just saying thank you more.
Thank you. Two small words, but very powerful.
Very powerful. We can say thank you to the person at the grocery store. We can say thank you to the bus driver.
Yes, or say thank you to a friend who helps you. It makes them feel good, and it makes us feel good too.
Exactly. It's a win-win. Another thing we can do is to think about 3 things we are grateful for every day.
Oh, I like that idea. 3 things. Before you go to sleep?
Yes, or when you wake up in the morning. It starts your day in a positive way. For example, today, I am grateful for the sun, for my breakfast, and for talking with you, Emily.
Oh, Paul, I am grateful for talking with you too. This is fun. So, today I am grateful for my comfortable bed, for music, and for this conversation.
See? It's easy. And it makes you smile.
It does. It really does. It changes how you see things. Maybe you have a bad day, but you can still find something good.
Yes, even on a difficult day, there is always something to be thankful for. Maybe it's a warm cup of tea, or a comfortable chair.
Or a good book. I am very grateful for books. I can travel to new places in a book.
Wow, yes, books are amazing. I am grateful for music, too. It can change my mood completely. If I feel sad, I listen to happy music.
Me too. Music is like magic. What kind of music are you grateful for, Paul?
I like all kinds of music, but I am very grateful for calm music when I need to relax. And you?
I love happy, energetic music. It makes me want to dance.
Dancing is another great thing to be grateful for. The ability to move our bodies.
It is to feel the music and just move. It's pure joy.
This is making me feel so happy, Emily, talking about all the things we are grateful for.
Me too. It shows that our lives are full of good things. We just need to open our eyes and see them.
That's the key. Open our eyes. Sometimes we are so busy, we forget to look.
We do. We worry about work, about problems, and we forget the little moments of happiness.
But those little moments are so important. A smile from a stranger, a beautiful sunset, a delicious meal.
Yes, a delicious meal. I am very grateful for food. It gives us energy and it can be so tasty. What's your favorite food, Paul? The one you are most grateful for?
Ooh, that's a hard question. I love pizza, but I think I am most grateful for my mom's soup. It is full of love.
Ah, that is the best reason. Food made with love is always the best. For me, I think I am most grateful for chocolate.
Chocolate, a classic choice. I am grateful for chocolate too. It makes everything better.
It does. So we have small things like chocolate and big things like our family. Gratitude is everywhere.
It is. It's a way of looking at life. We can choose to see the good.
I agree. It's a choice, and it's a happy choice.
A very happy choice. It makes our hearts feel full.
It does. It feels like a warm hug for your heart.
A warm hug for your heart. I love that, Emily. That is exactly what gratitude feels like. So, what is one final thing you are grateful for today, Paul?
I am grateful for our listeners. Thank you all for being here with us. You make this channel possible.
Oh, that's a perfect one. Yes, we are so grateful for every one of you. Your support means the world to us.
It really does. We love making these podcasts for you. And that brings us to the end of our episode. This was a wonderful conversation, Paul.
It was. I feel very positive and happy. I hope our listeners do too.
I hope so. Remember to look for the good things in your life every day.
Yes, and before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the gratitude.
And we have a question for you. In the comments below, please tell us what is one thing you are grateful for today.
We would love to read your answers. It will make us all smile.
Yes, it will. Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
Thank you. Stay positive, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.